So I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 21 for grade 3 mathematics. The topic which we started in the last class, that is comparing measures, where you learned to use inequalities in between the numbers. So question number 1 was, guys, copy and complete and write greater than sign and less than signs in the numbers in between the number to make the inequality. So I told you guys, these are the signs which we use for greater than or less than. So the easy example, guys, like if I say 1 and 2, so which number is bigger? So you will say, so 2 is bigger. So we should open the face of the sign in front of bigger number. Here 2 is bigger, that's why its face is open, its mouth is open in front of 2. But if you see here, it is 4 and it is 3. So which number is bigger? 3 is smaller, 4 is bigger. So I will use the sign. I will open the face of this sign in front of bigger number, which is 4. Let's take one more example. Let's suppose it is 7 and it is 6. So which is bigger? 7 is bigger. That's why what we will do, we will open the face of this sign in front of 7 and its end should be in front of 7. Let's suppose if I say 8 and 9, which sign we should use here? So a 9 is bigger, that's why we will open the mouth of this sign in front of 9. 8 is less than 9 or 9 is greater than 8. 7 is greater than 6. 4 is greater than 3 and 1 is less than 2. Right? So in that way, we have to find out the number, which number is bigger, and we have to use these signs. So from 400 to 400 and 200, the first was 400 and 200. So 400 or 200, which is bigger? So guys, you will compare the hundreds first. 4 is bigger than 2. That's why you will say 400 is greater than 200. 400 is greater than 200. So this is 400 and dash 200. So you will use the sign here because 400 is greater. So you will open the mouth of it in front of bigger. Same guys, if I take example of this E, this is 600 dash 700. 700, you will compare 6 on the 100 is less than 7, which is on the 100 page. So 700 is bigger, so you will open the mouth of this in front of 7. We completed this or these all questions in our notebook. This is the notebook, guys. 404 is bigger than 2, that's why 400 is greater than 200. 3 is bigger than 1, that's why this sign face is open. 300 is greater than 100. Here 3 is less than 4, that's why we open the mouth in front of 4. 300 is less than 400. 250, 200 is less than 700. So the end should be in front of 250 and face should be, mouth should be in front of 750. So in this way we complete it. So guys, in question number 1, do you have any problem?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
sir.
No.
No, sir.
No. No.
Very good. That's very easy, guys. Today we are going to complete question number 2. I'll give you the introduction of question number 2, how you have to do the question number 2. Then we will start doing question number. So guys, copy and complete, write a number in the box to make the inequality 2. This is the same question as question number 1. But here what you have to do, guys, you have to find out the number. This is 30. This is dash, or I can here make box 30 dash dash. So guys, you have to find out that number. The number is greater than 30. Look, its face is open in front of it. That's mean that whatever the number you will write here, it should be greater than 30. So 40 is also greater than 30. Okay. 70 is also greater than 30. Or 100 is also greater than 30. So there are too many numbers which are greater than 30. In fact, after 30, every number is greater than 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 100, 100, 1000. So all numbers after 30 are greater than 30. Am I right, guys?
Sir, I want to say something. Something.
Very good. Sharif, let me finish first. So the numbers which comes after 30, these numbers are actually greater than 30. So you have too many numbers you can write here, but there is one more condition. Look, this number is less than 50 also. This is the less than sign. You know, whenever the number is having end, its end face any number, that's mean it is less than, like this is 2, less than 4, 2 is less than 4. So this number is less than 50 also. So less than 50 means it could be 49, it could be 48, it could be 20, it could be 10. So I can write here 10, 20, 30, all are less than 50. But according to the condition, you have to remember this also and this also. You have to find out the number which is greater than 30 but less than 50. So basically you have to find out the number which is between 30 and 50. From 30 to 50, any number you can write. Because the number should be greater than 30, that's mean the number should come after 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. But that number should be less than 50. That means that number should come before 50. So before 50, from 30 to 50, you have numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, up to 49. You can even write 49, but you cannot write 50. So these all from 31 to 49, you can write any number. From 31 to 49, you can write any number. You can select your number as per your choice and you can fill in the box. But that number should be bigger than, greater than 30 or less than 50. That's mean it should be between 30 to 50. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
sir.
Very good. So the number should be between 30 to 50 means the number between 30 to 50 means starting from after 30, 31, 32, 33 and check up to 49, any number you can write. From 30, the number is greater than 30 and less than 50 means you can write any number between 30 and 50. I give you the easy example here, guys. Let's suppose we have the number should be 2 here dash and here 1. What does that mean, guys? That number should be greater than 2. So greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But there is one more condition that it should be less than 5 as well. It should be less than 5 as well. So the number should be between 2 to 5. What are the numbers which come between 2 and 5? After 2, it comes 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 are the numbers which come between 2 and 5. So you can write any number. You can say 3 is the number which is greater than 2 and less than 5. Or you can say 4 is a number which is greater than 2 and less than 5. So in these questions, we have to write the number which comes between the two numbers. Am I clear, guys?
Sir, I want to tell you something.
I want to do something.
Very good. Guys, take out your notebook. You start question number 2. I'm going to share a new screen. Sharif, I will take you. Wait for a while. You can see a new screen, guys. Today is 26 and it is Sunday, right? Alhamdulillah. Question number 2 is copy and complete, right? Greater than or less than, write a number in the box. Sorry, write a number in the box. Here you have to write a number. Write a number in the box. Write a number in the box to make the inequality. To make the inequality. Okay. Then you have to write A. A is 30. Is less than that number, but that number should be 30 is less than that number. That number is greater than 30 and less than 50. So I'm going to put here text box, guys. Will be 70 and 100. C. All right, guys. So this is the question completed. Write the answer of it by yourself. I'm going to take Sharif. He wants to say something. Did you start writing, guys?
Yes, sir. I want to tell you something. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Yes, Sharif.
Sir, we can do after like 70 and 100 this question. We can do two numbers.
Okay.
We can do 80 or 90.
You cannot do even two numbers. You can do many numbers. You can write from 71 up to 99. Any numbers you can write. Okay.
Yeah, we can write any numbers, and we can
Because you have
write
to write
90 or 80.
You have to write the number which comes between 70 and 100. Any number you can write which comes between 70 and 100. So between 70 and 100, the number starts from 71, 72, 73, up to 99. They all are the numbers which come between 70 and 100. So you can write here 71 as well. You can write here 99 as well. You can write here 81 as well. Any number you can write, okay?
Yeah, but we can't write the less number of 70 because it's
Yes.
open now. It means the greater number than 70.
Exactly. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone else, guys?
Sir, I want to tell you something.
Who?
Thanks.
Sir, I want to tell you something.
Guys, if you have any questions, you can send a message in the chat box, okay? I will take your question. If I did not get you in the chat box, if I did not understand anything, then I will open your mic and I will take your question. Otherwise, I will answer it after reading your question. Send your message questions in the chat box, please, okay? Whatever you want to tell, send it in the chat box, okay? The first question is 30-50. Yes, guys, 30-50. Tell me the number which you should write between 30 and 50. What number you would like to write? Yes.
40. Sir, I want to tell you something. Sir,
You can write any number between 30 to 50. I'm going to write here 40. 40 is the number which is the number which is greater than 30 and less than 50. All right, guys. So what number you would like right here? 70 and 100. So this is, you have to answer me in the chat, guys. What number you will write on B? 70 and 100. What number you will write? 70 and 100. 100 greater than dash. And then we have C. 100 is, this is 100 is greater than that number, and that number is greater than 50. Again, this is from 50 to 100. So I received the answers for question number B, guys. I'm asking for B. Very good. Ayan, Muhammad Al-Harbi, Ahmad Yusuf, Ilyas, Muhammad Farooq, very good. Abdul Aziz, very good. Sharif, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ziad Ali, very good. Majid Awad, very good. Omar Hassan, very good. I would like to take one of the students. Ayman.
yes, sir, I want to tell you something.
First, tell me what should I write here?
Write 9.
9.
Yeah,
Why?
and at 9 0.
Okay, that's fine. 90. You mean 90.
Yeah,
Okay, that's very good. Except 90, can you write any other number?
yeah.
Okay, tell me any number.
30. Sir.
Sorry? 30. This number?
Yeah, it's correct.
No, it is not correct. You have to write the number which is between 70 and 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
the number should be bigger than 70. That means the number should come after 70. After 70, what comes? 71, 72, 73. Okay, and that number should
Okay,
be
sir. Yes.
less than 100.
Okay.
So you can write 80, you can write 85, you
Okay.
can write 75. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is 80.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Write downs here.
Here.
Done. Yeah.
What? Ayman,
3, 4. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, what you are saying, say it again.
Uh, 3, 3, 4.
40,
Right. Sir, I said that. Right. 4, 9.
4, 9.
4. Yeah. 4, 9.
Okay. Ayman, I will tell you the answer, whether your answer is correct or not later on, okay? Because right now we are on here. So 70, 80. So let's check it with the other students. Guys, 80 is, can we write 80 here on B? Yes. Can we write 80 here?
Yes.
No.
Very good. We can write 80 because 80 is the number which comes between 70 and 100. 80 is bigger than 70 and 80 is less than 100. Now you have to write the number here, which should be less than 100 and which should be greater than 50. So this is same, guys. You have to find out the number which comes between 50 and 100. Let's suppose if I write 51 here, if I write 51 here, so 51 is greater than 50, yes, and 51 is less than 100, yes. Let's suppose I write 55 here, so 55 is greater than 50, yes. 55 is less than 100, yes. If I write 60, so 60 is greater than 50, yes. 60 is less than 100, yes. So I can write any number, so I'm going to write here 75. 75 is less than 100 and greater than 50. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. I want to tell you something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to tell you something.
That's very good. All right. Now we will go for D. Start writing D, guys. D is 300, 350. 300 less than 350. So this is I'm going to ask by you guys. What should I write here? 350. It should not be 75. And then for E, guys, what is E? 180. 100 greater than 80. The answer should be. So guys, again, 300 and 350. So the number should be greater than 300 because 300 is less than that number. And the number should be less than 350. So from 300 to 350, you have plenty of numbers. You have 301, 302 you can write, 303 you can write, 305 you can write, 310 you can write, 320, 330, even you can write 349, but you cannot write 350, okay? So the number should be between 300 to 350. 50. So tell me, what should you write here, guys? What you will write? Adam Khalid, what you are doing? Very good, Muhammad Farooq, Muhammad Al Harbi, Muhammad Farooq, very good. Sharif Muhammad, check your answer. Your answer is wrong. 390 is not less than 300. Majid, very good. Miraj, very good. Muhammad Fadi, very good. No, Abdul Aziz. How 400? 400 is greater than 350. Look, this number is smaller than 350. Okay. No 400. Umar Hassan, very good. Ilyas, very good. I'm going to take one of the student. Adam Husam.
Yes, sir.
What number should I write here? Yes. What number should I write here? Ahmad, can you hear me? Adam. Adam Husam.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
number should I
yes.
write here? 3 and in this box for D. 300 is less than a number which is less than 350. What should I write here? The number which comes between 300 and 350. Any number you can tell me.
340.
340, yeah, you can write 340. Any other number? Yes, any other number?
Sorry. 340, yes.
Yes, that's correct answer. Except 340, what else you can write here? Yes. 330, 320. There are too many numbers you can write, okay?
Okay.
The number should be between 300 and 350. I'd like to take one more student. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Mashari. Mashari.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the number what number should I write here from 300 to 350? 300 is less than the number and that number is less than 350.
The smallest, and which one the small?
What number should I write here in the box for D? Mashari, the number should be between 300 and 350. After 300 and before 350. Any number you can write. Any number.
325.
Yeah, 325 is the correct answer. Any other number you can tell me?
Yes. 344.
Exactly. Now check how this is correct. Guys, for all of you, look, 344 is greater than 300. Is it true? Yes. Adam, is it true? Mashari, all of you, is it true? 344 is greater than 300?
Yes.
Very good. Now check the second one. 344 should be less than 350. So 344 is less than 350.
No.
Yes, 344 is less than 350. 344 is smaller than 350. So you can write any number here, okay? So I'm writing here 330. 330 is bigger than 300 and 330 is smaller than 350. Clear, guys?
Clear, guys.
Very good. Guys, if you don't want to answer me properly, I am not going to open your mic. I am going to close your chat as well. If you don't want to participate in the class, I'm not going to open your mic. Neither I'm going to open your mic, nor I will open your chat. You just have to listen to me and you just have to copy them. The in E, guys, you have to check the number which is less than 100. This number should be less than 100 and greater than 80. So the number should be between 80 to 100. That's mean it could be 81, it could be 82, or 83, or 84, or 85, up to 99. You can write any number from 81 to 99 here. Let's suppose if I write 85 here. So 85, yes, 85 is bigger than 80. And check here, yes, 85 is smaller than 100. So I'm going to write here 90. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Very good. Now I'm going to write F. After E, we are going to write F. And F is 200 is greater than a number is greater than a number which is greater than 100. There is a number which is greater than 100 but less than 200. You have to find out that number. Again, I repeat, guys, there is a number which is greater than 200. Look, this number should be greater than, this should be greater than 100, but it should be less than 200. Look, this is 90. 90 is not greater than 100, but 90 is less than 200. So this is not true. If I write here 100, so 100 is not greater than 100, but 100 is less than 200. So one of the condition is satisfied. If I write here 105, so yes, 105 is greater than 100 and 105 is less than 200. So for answering these numbers, for answering F, you have to check any number which comes between 100 to 200. It can be 101, it can be 102, it can be 103, up to 199, guys. You can write any number. Okay, so I'm going to write here 150. 150 is greater than 100 and 150 is less than 200. Is it clear, guys?
Clear, sir. Clear.
I finished.
Very good. Now I'm going to write G, guys. Write G. G is 345 355. You have to write this, guys. 345 and 355. And H is 505. $510. This is not from the book, guys. And then I is 292. $295. So guys, these are the questions. 345 is greater than that number. The number should be greater than, oh sorry, just wait for a while, guys. That number should be greater than 355, so it should be 365. Write it 365 and 510 and 505. Now check, guys, the number should be greater than 355. So 360 is greater than 355, and that should be smaller than 365. So 365, yes, that is the correct answer. So the number should be between 355 to 365. Now here, the number should be greater than 505. So 505 greater 506, 507, 508, and 509. So you can write any number. I am writing 508. 508 is greater than 505, and 508 is less than 510. The number should be bigger than 292, so 293, and that should be smaller than 295. So only two numbers are there, 293 and 294. All clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I'm going to repeat again, guys. This is 365 and this is 355. So the number should be greater than 355. So you have 356, 357, 358, 359, and so on. But that number should be less than 365. So you can have 364. From 356 to 364, you can write any number. Same you can do here. And from 292 to 295, you have two numbers, 293 and 294. So this is going to the end of our class, guys. Finish writing. If you did not finish writing, I will upload it in Classera course material. Remember, guys, you have test tomorrow. So practice all your work, whatever we have done in the notebook and book, assignments for the test. Okay.
Okay.
Very good, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next class.
Bye.